Power plant, fuel metering systems. What are the two types of carburetors most commonly used on small reciprocating engines? Float type carburetors and pressure type carburetors. What is the function of a mixture control on float type carburetors? To control fuel-air mixtures. What is the action of a float-type carburetor accelerating system when the throttle is opened with a quick action? A charge of fuel will enrich the mixture in the venturi. When does a carburetor economizer system needle valve begin to open? Above approximately 60 to 70% of rated power. What is the purpose of a carburetor economizer system? An economizer system provides additional fuel at high power settings for cooling the engine to prevent detonation. Where does a pressure injection carburetor obtain fuel pressure? From an engine-driven fuel pump. What operates an automatic mixture control? A sealed bellows that contracts or expands with a change in pressure and temperature. What position of a pressure injection carburetor manual mixture control would stop engine operation? Idle cutoff position. Name at least 3 advantages of direct fuel injection systems over conventional carburetor systems. Less danger of induction system icing, improved acceleration, improved fuel distribution, reduced overheating of individual cylinders, better fuel economy. In a reciprocating engine, what problem is caused by an excessively rich mixture at idle? Spark plug fouling. What is the RPM indication when an idle mixture is set correctly and the mixture control is placed in the idle cutoff position? A slight rise in RPM prior to decreasing. Why should engine RPM be accelerated periodically when making carburetor adjustments? To clear the engine. What is the function of turbine engine fuel control units? To automatically satisfy fuel requirements of the engine. What are the 3 basic types of turbine engine fuel control units? Hydromechanical, hydromechanical electronic, and fuel authority digital engine control. Name at least 3 of the engine variables that may be detected by a turbine engine fuel control unit. Power lever position, engine RPM, compressor inlet temperature, compressor inlet pressure, compressor discharge pressure, burner pressure. What are 2 sources used in turbine engine fuel systems for fuel heating? Bleed air and engine lubrication oil. What turbine engine components inject fuel into the combustion area? Fuel spray nozzles. Depending on the particular engine, trimming is accomplished according to one of the two types of indication. What are they? EPR, RPM. Name two major components of a supervisory electronic engine control. Electronic control unit, hydromechanical fuel control. What are the maintenance adjustments normally allowed on an installed hydromechanical fuel control? Specific gravity for the fuel, idle RPM, and maximum RPM. Name at least two advantages of a full authority digital electronic control over a hydromechanical fuel control. Requires no engine trimming, improved engine starts, saves fuel, provides engine limit protection, provides constant idle speed with changes in atmospheric conditions and changes bleed air requirements, fully modulates the active clearance control, more repeatable engine transients.